Welcome to Microsoft Teams, a collaboration app to help your team stay organized and have conversations, all in one place. In Teams, you can see a list of all the teams you're on. Teams are made up of channels. You can build them by topic, department, or just for fun. Channels are where the real work gets done, where you hold meetings, have team conversations, and share files. At the top of each channel, you'll find tabs for channel posts and files. You can also turn your favorite files, apps, and services into tabs. When you share a file in a channel conversation, you and your team can edit it at the same time and share thoughts alongside it. Go to the Files tab to find all the files that have been shared in a channel, or Files on the left to see all files shared across teams. Use Chat when you want to talk privately with a person or a group. Select New Chat at the top and type in a name or names. Then type a message and send it. To make a call directly from a chat, choose Video Call or Audio Call. If your organization has it set up, use Calls to call anyone from Teams, even if they're not using it. In Calendar, you can see everything you've got lined up for the day or week, or schedule a new meeting, webinar, or live event. This Teams calendar syncs with your Outlook calendar. To join an in-progress Teams meeting, select Join. Select options for your camera and audio, then select Join Now. In a meeting, you can choose to record the meeting or share content from your device, such as a PowerPoint presentation. Go to Activity for a view that lets you catch up on all your unread messages, app mentions, replies, voicemails, and more. Use the command box to search for specific items or people, take quick actions, and launch apps. And download the mobile app so you're in sync when you're on the go. Now bring in your colleagues and let the teamwork begin.